All right, welcome to Easy Friday Business. Now, President William Ruto has defended the Kenya Pipeline Company initial public offering and the sale of 15% of the government's stake in Safaricom to Vodacom, noting that the transactions are expected to yield the country up to 350 billion shillings to support development and reduce public borrowing. The president says the two transactions are part of a broader plan to unlock value from public enterprises and mobilize long-term funding for infrastructure. Trevor Ng'endo has more details.
President William Ruto signaled out the Kenya Pipeline Company initial public offer as the largest in Kenya's history, which seeks to raise about 106.3 billion shillings through the sale of 65% of the state-owned firm at 9 shillings per share. Combined with proceeds from the 15% sale of Safaricom's stake to Vodacom, the government estimates the transactions will raise up to 350 billion shillings in direct revenue, which can then be leveraged to attract trillions of shillings in private and institutional financing.
With 350 billion, we are going to leverage, and we will have between 3.5 and 4 trillion shillings to be able to run all our projects. Akili.
President Ruto says the government's divestiture in Kenya Pipeline Company and listing of the firm's shares on the Nairobi Securities Exchange would enhance transparency and protect public interest.
The tested, proven, transparent valuation is done by the capital markets. It's done at the exchange. It's not done in boardrooms or by committees. So I want to tell those people who are giving us lectures about what we are doing with the IPO on Kenya Pipeline or Safaricom, they should spare us their political conmanship and intellectual deceit. We don't need it.
Under the Kenya Pipeline Company initial public offer, shares have been allocated across a broad mix of local, regional and institutional investors, with 5% of shares reserved for employees through an employee share ownership plan. The Kenya Pipeline Company offer is set to close on 19th of next month, with the company's shares expected to be listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange on 9th of March this year. Trevor Ng'endo for Easy Friday.